Welcome to the Suerte del Molino farm, Andalusia in Spain. We have nature, and nature is not the outside, but it's also the inside of us. We are nature. We are pulsating with this nature. It's just our minds get in the way of seeing and feeling and flowing, and I'm speaking for myself. But now and then we have some bright moments where we just sit down and look at things and admire and appreciate. Here is our occasional creek, and I have added some rocks there, and I've added this stone-filled metal cage, gabion, and then I have collected lots of silt, and this is quite something. This is changing my life. This is something I dreamt of doing, achieving since we moved onto this farm almost 3 years ago. In the silt are organisms, because there are lots of nutrients in there. Now these plants and trees, they need especially something called nitrogen, and nitrogen is in abundance all around these plants, but none of them or us can benefit from this nitrogen in the air. It has a triple bond between two nitrogen atoms, and that is almost impossible to break. Except in the silt we have bacteria, and bacteria can do that job. So I'm just amazed and overwhelmed and surprised and happy that we can collect silt on this farm and keep it here and grow our nitrogen stock for the plants. Obviously the same process is happening there, but it's a very different way of achieving the nitrogen buildup than in the silt. Here on this farm we are not good at theories. We are not good at activism, but we are good at being practitioners. We just do things in nature, being part of nature, and it's a special gift, something we treasure. And this is my water observation station, and the water we have in this area, it comes from the Canat system. It usually pops up over there like a little fountain, because the canal system is just to the right. And it's not the cistern that's leaking, it's the whole canal, which is good. So I can tell you the water level in that canal system by looking at the water that pops up over there, collects over here and collects over there. So now it's about half full, the canal system, because we have water here. And what a beautiful way to see what is happening in the soil. Amazing. These geese, very interesting animals, trying to dominate all the other animals, including the dogs and the ducks and the chickens. Everyone has their own place. Now these guys here are perhaps the most interesting of all of them. And they have been manipulated by humans to lay eggs almost daily without being fertilized. I have already removed some eggs this morning. And to hold a warm, freshly laid egg in your hand, it's quite special. They are here the first 6 hours after sunrise, because this is when they laid their eggs. And then at between 1 and 2 in the afternoon, they free range. Amazing animals. The geese are herbivores. These ducks are omnivores. And so cute. From there they walk to the water there in the temporary pond for their daily water ritual. Muscovy ducks, very, very quiet animals. Only time I hear them is when the geese are bullying them. Another cloudy day, no rain. Beautiful to be here. We appreciate it. Till next time. Goodbye.